Ang pag-aaralan natin ngayon ay dividing fractions with negative numbers. Bago natin sagutan yung number 1, recap muna natin yung method in dividing fractions. In division, sign, gagawin lang natin multiplication, tapos kunin lang natin yung reciprocal nitong divisor. Then, kailangan din natin yung rules in multiplying or dividing integers. Multiplying or dividing integers with same sign equals positive, and multiplying or dividing integers with different sign equals negative. Yun lang yung kailangan natin para masagutan natin yung lesson na to. Okay, number 1, negative 1 over 5 divided by 3 over 2 equals, yung division, gawin muna natin multiplication. Kapiyahin natin yung dividend, negative 1 over 5, division, gawin multiplication, then kunin lang natin yung reciprocal ng 3 over 2. Magiging siyang 2 over 3. Then, proceed na tayo sa multiplying fractions. Negative 1 times 2. Negative 2. 5 times 3, 15. Yan, negative 2 over 15 na yung sagot. Number 2, negative 3 over 4 divided by negative 7 over 5. Gawin lang muna natin yung division ng multiplication. Okay, negative 3 over 4, division, gawin natin multiplication. Then, ito, reciprocal lang natin. Negative 7 over 5, magiging 5 over negative 7 equals, ito na, negative 3 times 5, negative 15. Then, 4 times negative 7, negative 28 equals, negative 15 over negative 28 equals positive 15 over 28. Itong 15 over 28 na yung magiging sagot. Number 3, 5 over 2 divided by negative 3 over 7 equals, kopyahin mo natin yung dividend, 5 over 2. Then, division, magiging multiplication. Then, reciprocal natin yung negative 3 over 7, magiging 7 over negative 3 equals 5 times 7, 35 over 2 times negative 3, negative 6. Or, pwede siyang isulat as negative 35 over 6. Ito na yung sagot, negative 35 over 6. Number 4, 15 over 2 divided by negative 5 over 3 divided by negative 6 over 5. Yan, kahit dumami yung division sign, ganun lang din yung gagawin natin. Reciprocal lang natin sila, tapos proceed tayo sa multiplication. Gawin na natin yung 15 over 2. Division, gawin lang natin multiplication. Negative 5 over 3, gawin natin 3 over negative 5. Reciprocal lang. Yan, division, gawin natin multiplication. Negative 6 over 5, magiging 5 over negative 6 equals 15 times 3, 45. 45 times 5. Solve ko lang dito sa tabi. 45 times 5. 5 times 5, 25. 4 times 5, 20 plus 2, 22. 225 over 2 times 5. Ay, 2 times negative 5, negative 10. Negative 10 times negative 6, positive 60. Yan, kailangan talaga memorize nyo itong mga rules na nakasulat sa tabi para mas mabilis kayong magsagot. Number 5, 12 over 3 divided by negative 9 over 3 divided by negative 6 over 2. Pwede pang masimplify itong fraction na to. Pwede pa itong simplify. Okay, 12 divided by 3, 4. Negative 9 divided by 3, negative 3. Divided by negative 6 divided by 2, negative 3. Yan, ayusin ko lang isulat. Okay, equals 4. Division, palitan ng multiplication. Then, kunin natin yung reciprocal ng negative 3. Magiging siyang 1 over negative 3. Division, gawin natin multiplication. Negative 3, magiging 1 over negative 3. Then, multiply na natin. 4 times 1, 4. Times 1, 4. Then, yung denominator naman i-multiply natin. Negative 3 times negative 3, positive 9. Kaya magiging sagot ay 4 over 9. Ganun lang yung dividing fractions with negative numbers. Sana may natutunan kayo sa lesson.